Design Essentials sent me some stuff, y'all. Yes. So they had sent me their gift set, and it looks like this. I was like, this is so cute. I mean, they gave me a satin hair wrap, okay? This is cute, okay. I can definitely see me rocking this, okay. They sent me this bracelet as well, along with their hair product. So we're about to go ahead and get into that, okay? But this is my hair. It is very dry, and it is, of course, time to wash it. I am planning on doing a twist out, just a regular twist out, and I really want to see how my curls will get defined. So for my pre-wash, I'm going to be applying their Herbal Pre-Wash Intense Repair Mask. So all of their hair products is for kinky coily hair, which I love. And when I immediately applied this on my hair, it felt so smooth and soft. Their Herbal Hair Mask is supposed to help instantly lift your hair's cuticle and deposit nutrients into your hair. This felt so good after I washed it out, and my curls were so defined. So now I'm going to go ahead and shampoo my hair using their anti-breakage moisture retention shampoo. Shampoo immediately lathered up, y'all. As you see, it did so well. My hair felt so clean after I even rinsed it out. So it is supposed to help cleanse your hair and your scalp and remove any type of granules from the Chebe mask as well. It did not strip any type of moisture from my hair, which is amazing. And also I had some curls, y'all. It was defining it. So now we're going to go ahead and apply the leave-in conditioner. So this is an anti-breakage moisturizing leave-in conditioner that is infused with Chebe as well. And it has a strengthening agent plus an African blend of over 20 essential oils in it. So now I'm about to go ahead and style my hair. So I do have it in 4 twists here. So I will be starting with the back and working my way up. They did send me 2 different stylers. So I do have their strengthening and curl perfecting mousse, but I also have their braid and twist out strengthening cream. So between the two, because I am doing a twist out, I'm going to go lean more towards the twist out cream. This braid and twist out cream made my hair feel so moisturized even after I unraveled it, took everything down, and also after a few days of having it in as well. To create the twist out, all I did was just do 4 sections, and I just started with the back, and I just put the braid and twist out cream on there, and I used my dimming brush to take out any tangles, and I just did a regular 2-strand twist. Their braid and twist out cream is frizz fighting, and it leaves no flakes in your hair while strengthening and moisturizing your hair with no residue or buildup. So I love that the women in Chad, Africa had used the Chebe Powder as their secret to attaining healthy hair well beyond their waist. They have shared their ancient tradition, helping to create this naturally derived product designed to help achieve astonishing length by combating key inhibitors of growth, dryness, breakage, and also damaged hair. I find it so amazing that Design Essentials is supporting the Chadian women and also other African villages by donating proceeds from every bottle sold directly back to the community. Ain't that something, y'all? Yes. So we done slept on these, we done set under the hooded dryer, and this is how the curls are looking. As you see, this is another level of a twist out, y'all. This right here is what you call definition, okay? Definition it is. So as you see, I'm unraveling all of my twists, and I went on ahead and separated my curls as well. But as you see, as I'm unraveling, it just did it so easily, y'all. Normally I don't do a lot of separation, especially if my curls are defined. I didn't really want any frizz, but I'm gonna let y'all know this time I was separating them curls, and as you see, the frizz was nowhere to be found. This is the finished look. Yes, I love the products, I love the results, I love everything about this line, y'all. Design Essentials always had my heart. When I tell y'all, like, I love every single one of the products that they done sent me, it gives more of like a salon quality. I'm definitely gonna make sure that I try out their foaming mousse next, so you know, stay tuned for that. I'm definitely gonna be trying to do a video up on that one, y'all. But yeah, the results. I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed their products. So Design Essentials African Chebe Growth Collection is available at Target, Walmart, Walgreens, and also designessentials.com.